Alright, so I'm at one of those weird points in the project now. What I've decided to do is use that 1x6 as the bottom instead of a 1x4. That's going to be the front, and then the 1x10 top will come out from there. And I want to put these two together and see, I want to rough this thing up, right? But I need to also secure them, put them together. And instead of just gluing them, which I guess I could do, I could probably glue them and clamp them. I want to glue and then put some brads in, just to hold it temporarily until the glue dries. So what I think I need to do is come down here and once I get them squared up and nailed, measure over here, leaving space for the top, and build a corner right here just to give these support, and maybe put, you know, 2 or 3 down there, so this portion of a box has strength to it and doesn't fall apart. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'll get the measurements and cut those out and put them in, and then glue it all at the same time. Alright, I'll be back.